Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wildloop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to make tweet when gas sensor detect smoke. So let us get started. This is circuit diagram. Here I am using one MQ2 sensor. This is gas sensor and one node MCU. This is MQ2 sensor I am using in breadboard, but there is no available library for MQ2, so I am using here MQ3 in schematic diagram just, but I am not using MQ3, I am using MQ2 sensor. Okay, so you can see I am using an analog pin. So A0 pin of this sensor is connected to A0 of node MCU. VCC is connected to 3.3 volt and ground is connected to ground of node MCU board. So now we will go to make dashboard on thingspeak.com. So I will search here thingspeak, open this, and I will log in here. I will type my email ID and I will type password. Sign in. First of all, here I will create new channel. So click over here, new channel, name gas sensor, smoke detector. Okay, in field level I will type here gas sensor. Okay, and now I will click on save. Okay, go to API keys and copy this. Okay, now I will go to Arduino programming. I have already created here Arduino program, so I will just paste here API key and here I will type SSID of my local network. I will once check. Okay, and here I will type password. Okay, this is sensor pin. It is connected to A0 of node MCU. Here it will connect internet with board, and here it will read the analog value of sensor and store in gas quality variable, and here it will push the data on online dashboard. This is function of push data. Here I have created push data function. It is print gas quality on serial monitor. Okay, so I hope you understood this code. Now I will upload this code on board. Here is node MCU is correct and comport 10 is okay. So now I will upload this. Okay, uploading done successfully. Now I will open serial monitor and I will press reset button. Here I will select baud rate 115200. Okay, gas quality is 796. Now I will open dashboard. Here you can see it is showing on graph. Okay, it is going to 821. So now I want to post this message on Twitter. If it increase more than 900 or 850, okay, if a smoke is if smoke is detected, then it will increase. So close this and go to think tweet and link Twitter account, authorized app. Here you can see Sandeep Robotics has been successfully linked to ThinkSpeak. Okay, so back to ThinkSpeak, and I will go to React, new React. This status is numeric value, and if gas sensor, okay, if gas sensor is greater than 850, then it will tweet smoke detected. Hashtag. Okay, now it will be post. Save React. Okay, now again go to my channel and private. Now its value is 825. This is 836 value when it is not detected any smoke. Okay, and you can see there is no tweet. Now I will keep a smoke in front of sensor. Okay, and we will see the value of sensor. This is 926. Okay, I will reload. See, it has been tweeted smoke detector white loop. Now we will see here also. This is graph. Okay, I will remove this. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really like my video and my work, so you can support me on PayPal and Patreon. My PayPal and Patreon ID has given in description box. Thanks for watching.